In this video, we are going to solve questions of exercise 13.4 of class 10th. The chapter name is Surface Area and Volume. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nena and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. So we are going to use three formulas in the four questions, which is volume of the frustum, curved surface area of the frustum and total surface area of the frustum. So let us start our today's topic, which is exercise 13.4 of class 10th. We are going to solve four questions in this video. So let's start solving the very first question, which says that a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum. So you can see the glass in which we drink water in our house. So that glass is in the shape of what? That glass is in the shape of a frustum, because bottom part is also a circular part and the upper part is also a circular part, right? And this is given to us that the height of this frustum is equal to 14 centimeter. Then the diameter of the two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So I have told you that in the previous video that always the bigger one is our radius 1, R1 is always our bigger one and R2 is our smaller radius. Okay, so the upper part radius will be 4 centimeter and the lower part radius will be 2 centimeter. Then we have to find out the capacity of the glass. So what does the capacity means? Capacity of the glass means that what is the volume of the glass, and glass is in the shape of which figure? Glass is in the shape of a frustum. So the volume of the frustum will be equal to the capacity of the glass. So volume of the frustum, we know that it is given by 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So you know each and every value. So if we will put simply the values, then we will get our final answer. Okay, so pi is what? Pi is my 22 by 7 into height is what? Height is my 14 centimeter into R1 is what? R1 is my 4 square plus R2 is my 2 square plus R1 into R2. Okay, so now do the cancellation. Whatever gets cancelled out, let's cancel it out. Then 22 into 2 will become 44. 4 square will be 16 plus 2 square will be 4 plus 4 into 2 will get 8. So if you are going to solve all these parts, then you will get your final answer, which is equal to 308 by 3 centimeter cube, which will be equal to 102.6 centimeter cube. Okay. Now moving to question number 2. Question number 2 says that the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter. So this time this slant height of the frustum is given to us, L is given to us equal to 4 centimeter, and the parameter of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So remember that, be careful that this is not radius, this is given to you parameter. So bigger one will be P1 and the smaller one will be P2, and you have to find out the curved surface area of the frustum. So to find out the curved surface area of the frustum, what is the formula? Curved surface area is given by pi into R1 plus R2 into L. So for that we should know about R1 and R2. So how to find out R1 and R2? We can find out R1 and R2 from the values of parameter. So parameter is what? Parameter is of circular base. So parameter of circular base is given by what? Parameter of circular base is given by 2 pi R1. So if I will put P1 is equal to 18, pi is equal to 22 by 7 into R1. So this one will become 9. 9 into 7 will be 63 by 2 centimeter will be my R1. Similarly, we can find out the value of second parameter, the smaller one radius. So P2 is what? P2 is my 6 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into R2. R2 is what? R2 we have to find out. So cancel it out. 2 3 is the 6. So if this will go to this side, then 3 and 7 will become what? 21. And this will go to the denominator. It will become 21 by 2 centimeter will be my R2. So let us solve this now. Pi is what? Pi is 22 by 7. R1 is what? R1 is my 63 by 22 plus R2 is my 21 by 22 into L is what? L is given to us equal to 4 centimeters. So put the value here 4. Then we can take out, then we can add both of these values. After doing addition, what I will get? I will get 84 by 22 into 4. So 22 and 22 will get cancelled out. So from here also, what will be the cancel out? 7 ones the 1 and 7 2s the 14. So 12 into 4 will become equal to 48 centimeter square. So 48 centimeter square will be my curved surface area. Moving to question number 3. Question number 3 says that a fringe, the cap used by the Turks, is shaped like the frustum of a cone. So this is the name of the cap which is being used by Turks. It is in the shape of frustum of a cone. So see, all the questions are related to that. Simply you have to find out either the curved surface area or the volume of the frustum. Just they are changing the statement and the values. The main point is that only, that you have to find out the curved surface area and the volume of the frustum. Next, if its radius on the open side is 10 centimeter. Open side means the bigger one side is radius is given to you equal to 10 centimeter, and the radius of upper base is 4 centimeters. So two radius are given to you, and you know that always the bigger one will be your R1 and the smaller one will be our R2. Then, and its slant height is 15 centimeter. So height is given to us equal to 15 centimeter. Then we have to find out, slant height L is given to us equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the material used for making it. So we have to find out the area. So area will be equal to what? Area will be equal to the curved surface area of this frustum plus the curved surface area of the upper circular part. Surface area of frustum is what? Pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus what is the curved surface area of circular base? Circular base is pi into R2 square. Why R2 square? Because they have told us that the radius of upper base is 4 centimeter and the and the cap will be open from the upper base. So we are considering the area of the upper base. So that's why we will take the radius of the upper base. Okay. So now I can take out pi common from both. So if pi will be common from both, then put the value of the rest. Rest is what? 10 is R1 plus R2 is my 4. L is my 15 plus from here pi will be outside and R2 is my 4 into 4. Okay, so now put the values. Pi is 22 by 7 into 10 plus 4 is what? 10 plus 4 is 14 into 15 plus 4 into 4 is 60. Okay, then when we will solve this value, then we will get what? Then we will get 2110 plus 16. Now you can solve the values very simply, and once you will solve the simple values, then you will get your final answer. Okay. Then moving to question number 4. Question number 4 says that a container opened from the top made up of metal sheet is in the form of frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper end are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. See, again they are saying what? That this is opened from the top. So when we will do calculation, then we will consider the area of this top part also. So let us first find out that what is given to us. Given to us is that height of the frustum is h is given to us 18 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeters. So two radius are given to us. So R1 will be what? R1 will be my 20 and R2 will be my 8 centimeter. Then we have to find out the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. So total cost we have to find out, which is rupees 20 per liter. So how we can find out the total cost? This is the cost of 1 liter only. If we know the total volume of the container or the total volume of the frustum, then we can find out the total cost also. Also, we have to find out the cost of the metal sheet used to make the container. Then we have to find out the cost of the metal sheet also. And the cost is given to us in terms of 100 centimeters square is rupees 8. So we have to find out the cost of the metal sheet. Cost of the metal sheet. This time cost will, how we can find out the cost of the metal sheet? You can see from the unit that this is the unit of area. So if we will find out the area of the frustum, then we can find out easily the cost of the frustum. And we have to consider that pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. Volume of the frustum is given by 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Okay, so we know all the values and simply put the values and you will get your answer. Pi is what? Pi is 3.14. H is my 16 centimeter. R1 square is what? R1 square is my 20 whole square plus R2 is my 8 square plus R1 into R2. Okay, so once you will solve all these values, then you will get your final volume as 10,10450 centimeter cube. Okay, and if I have to convert this value to liters, then what I will do? I will simply divide my value by 1000, then I will get 10.45 liter. Okay, so now this is not my required answer. I do not, the question does not want this answer from me. So the question is asking about the total cost. So how I can find out the total cost? So it is given to us that the cost of 1 liter is equal to rupees 20. Then we have to find out the cost of 10.45 liter, which is equal to 20 into 10.45. So I will get what? I will get rupees 209. Okay. Similarly, we have to find out the area, cost of the area. So area will be what? This is the curved surface area. So I have told you that this time you have to consider area of two parts. One is my area of frustum plus the curved surface area of that upper part which is open. So curved surface area of frustum plus curved surface area of open part. Pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus pi into R2 square. So you know all the values. Take out pi as common. R1 is what? R1 is 20 plus R2 is 8 and L we have to find out plus R2 again. R2 again is my 8 square. Okay, so we have to find out the value of L. How to find out the value of L? L will be equal to under root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. So simply put all the values. H is given to you equal to 16 plus R1 is 20, R2 is 8. So after solving all of these values, you will get L is equal to 20 centimeter. So put the values. Pi is 3.14 into 28 into L is what? L is my 20 plus 8 square is what? 8 square is my 64. So you will get that the area is equal to 624 pi. Okay. Now to find out the cost, what you will do? You will do the same steps which we have done in the volume case, that the cost of 100 centimeter square is equal to rupees 8. So the cost of 1 centimeter square will be equal to what? It will be equal to 8 by 120, and the cost of this will be what? By unitary method, cost of this will be 8 by 100 into 624 pi. Okay. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can see more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve remaining questions of exercise 13.4. Till then, take care and bye bye.